So we are living prophecy. Now we can fall into the time of, the spirit of the day, which is very difficult to distance yourself from if you're not going to do it intentionally. And what I mean by that, I'm not talking about a bunch of rules you adhere to and you set up these rules for yourself. I'm talking about a heart that is so passionate for God that you willfully, as a free will offering, choose against the demonic spirit and influence of today. You have to be intentional about it. You cannot just go with the flow. If you don't realize, and if I don't realize, we are in a war. There's a war for our souls. There's a war for our children's souls. Many parents are losing that war at the moment. But some are winning that war as well. But there's a war going on for your attention, for your heart, for your desires, for your appetites, for your passions. There's an absolute war going on for it. And even in church, there's a war against church to try and change the name of the church. What I mean by that is, as the people came to Babylon, Nebuchadnezzar first tried to change their names.